ended up doing a master's in film because I won a Netflix scholarship.
My name is Karina Samuel. I'm running a master's program in Pan Atlantic University, Lagos State, with a BSc in Tourism and Events Management.
The first semester of this program has been classroom-based, but towards the end, we started our production week. So we basically brought everything that we learned in class into practice. I specialized in scripting, directing, and cinematography, so all the principles, all the knowledge that we learned in class was brought forth during the production week.
Production workshop is a platform whereby everything that I'm being taught in class, I can apply it on the field. The school creates a platform whereby we apply what we are being taught in class on the field. So when we get out there, we can at least relate to whatever we see.
The journey has been a very good one. The knowledge has been brought from directing to script writing to editing to cinematography.
We had two productions. We had a documentary and a short film. In our documentary, we did a documentary on fashion in PAU. The short film, we did a story about realities or the perception of some lecturers when it comes to student participation in classwork. That was also a sensitization kind of program. We got the knowledge or the impact from the classes we had.
So working with my colleagues has been a journey of ups and downs. Sometimes you have challenges, but you have to sort them out because you have a common goal you are trying to achieve. And without harmony between ourselves, there is a disbalance in what you come up with.
For us, we're really good friends. We're like a little family of our own. Even though there are differences, there's a very healthy dynamic amongst all of us. We're able to divide labor. We're able to give each other roles and stick to our roles, respect the roles as well. We give each other the support and the respect with any role we're all assigned to. So that's the beautiful thing about this particular MFP sets.
The one major thing that I learned is learning how to time yourself properly. You have to time yourself as a team. You have to work with your schedule so you don't overspend and you don't extend shooting time and schedule.
One advice I'll give to anyone that wants to be a filmmaker like me is to never stop learning and have a strong work ethic so that when the challenges come, you don't feel you should stop the journey.
Well, I got to find out the master's degree in film production program from emails sent to me directly from this university. I'm in the Netflix network. Through that network, I became aware of this scholarship program, and I think this is the maiden edition.
Thank you so much, Netflix, for this opportunity. Thank you for giving a chance for African creatives to enhance the God-given talents that they have, and for also recognizing that Africa has so much potential, especially in the area of filmmaking.